YouTube. There we go. Alright, if you look at the video, the background is slightly different today because my girlfriend's mom's gonna be staying with us for about a week or a week and a bit. And so we've decided to shift things around. We moved the whole computer desktop setup inside our bedroom, and that way we just have a one bedroom. So when her mom sleeps, she's gonna be sleeping over, she's gonna be in the living room, so it'd make it hard to wake up early and stream. And my girlfriend also does coaching client calls, so it's this way we just have our office in our bedroom. So I like it. We switched everything around. It's nice to just like change your bedroom up a little bit every once in a while. We also threw in a bunch of, not junk, but slightly less than useful memorabilia. So yeah, productive day yesterday. Anywho, we can start to get into the charts. As always, starting with news. Looking down at 5:30 Wednesday, US dollar, housing starts, building permits. Some important news folders there. That's going to drop in about 12 minutes. We have some Australian dollar in about 13 hours. Well, not in about 13 hours. And then we have some US dollar unemployment tomorrow. And then Friday we leave off with some Canadian news. I would say, I think the news that dropped yesterday was bad for the US dollar. So sort of correlated across the board with whatever that meant. So let's take a look at some of these pairs today. The yen pairs a little bit mixed. The Dixie seems to be strong today, so US dollar is up. So that could be an opportunity today. US dollar seems to be one of the pairs to trade. Canadian dollar is a bit mixed. Euro's a bit mixed. The British pound is down today, so could be a good opportunity for a sell in the British pound. What was this? 2300. What happened at 2300 last night? CPI. Looks like it's gone down. What was the expectation? Forecast was 8.2 and it was below forecast, so from 8.7 to 7.9, which is a good drop. Devalued the currency. Could make sense, I suppose. So again, could be a good opportunity for a sell on the British pound. We'll sort of analyze the market structure in a second, but for now we're just looking to see what would be a good opportunity. Let's see. Swiss is not totally up across the board, but seems to be quite strong. Again, Australian dollar seems to be down, not totally across the board, but it's not doing the best. Alright, and then lastly, New Zealand dollar as well seems to be doing pretty poorly. seems to be relatively down across the board. The only ones okay, so I'd say our big ones to trade today are the British pound. Looking to get into a sell, possibly. Again, this is just a shorter time frame. If we go to the longer time frame, I think most of them have been quite significantly up in the last little while. And let's see if we can identify any US pairs that would be good to trade today. Or Swiss pairs. Swiss, British pound, and the US dollar will probably be the focus for today, at least on the lower time frames. We've got possibly a nice opportunity on CADCHF. Again, unfortunately, he does seem to be at a previous level of support. So we haven't necessarily broken below that, which is one of our counter confluences. Australian dollar has broken below. Could be some opportunity there. New Zealand, Swissy has broken below as well. Could be some opportunity here. Okay, I'm gonna swap over and head to this watch list and check out the hourly for all of these guys. Gold is starting to break above and do quite well at the moment. Okay, nothing necessarily on the hourly that looked too convincing. Maybe one of the CHF pairs kind of correlated on the hourly and the daily. Let's see, was it? Yeah, AUDCHF. Nice downward trend line on the hourly, nice downward trend line on the 5-minute. But he's already on our watch list to try to trade today. Okay. So those are the ones we're currently watching. We can see the Swissy is doing quite well today. So we're looking to sell AUD Swiss or NZD Swiss. They're both trending down on these nice trend lines. We're probably going to wait for a little bit of a pullback into a level of structure that signals a good reversal. But again, news comes out in 4 minutes. We'll probably wait for news to come out before we trade. Unfortunately, even though the British pound is selling down, there doesn't seem to be as stable a market structure to trade. So we will probably more or less we'll continue to monitor, but likely just disregard the British pound today. Alright, that is it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back with the 5-minute snapshot market analysis again tomorrow. Cheers.